If you're considering booking a room near Fremont, check out the Downtown Grand Hotel and Casino. We received a complimentary room upgrade, as well as priority check-in and out just for signing up for the iPrefer rewards program. We stayed in the newly built Gallery Tower. This is a 300 square foot room located in the non-smoking tower. This king-size pillow top mattress was very comfortable to sleep on. The room came with a flat-screen TV, a coffee maker, an ice bucket, and then 2 waters that are replenished daily. In the closet, you will find an ironing board, some hangers, as well as a safe. And then across the way is a full-length mirror. We received free Wi-Fi, free parking, as well as food and beverage discounts, also entertainment discounts including buy one get one free Mom Museum tickets. The Downtown Grand is located just a 500-foot walk away from the Fremont Experience and definitely worth the stay.